Let us start with our new lesson. We are going to study today multiplication. Now students, do you remember we have done the revision of table? Yes, we have done the revision of table of 2 to 15. So everyone, we are going to do the revision once again at home in your math notebook. You'll be writing tables 2 to 15 one time in your math notebook. Because if you know the table, this chapter is very easy for you. Okay. So what is your homework? At the start of the lecture, I'm giving you the homework because that is the revision part which we have already studied in our previous lecture. So all the students are going to learn the table from 2 to 15. They are going to write one time and learn as well. Okay. So coming to our next chapter, we are going to study multiplication part 1. Now in multiplication, we have already studied in our previous class multiplication of 2-digit number, 3-digit number, but in a normal way. Today we are going to study multiplication in the form with the method that is called as lattice method. We have studied lattice method in 3rd standard, right? So today we are going to do the revision of the method which we have studied in our previous class. So let us take an example. First, we are going to take an example in which we have a sum 53 multiplied by 8. Over here, the sum is given to us 53 multiplied by 8. We are going to use which method? Can anybody type in the check box which method we are going to do? Lattice method. We have studied lattice method in our 3rd standard previous class, right? Okay. So we are going to solve few examples because in this chapter we are going to use lattice method. Yes, correct. Siddhi, spelling. What is the spelling of lattice? Lattice. Okay. So what we are going to do, first step for this method is we are going to write the expanded form of 53. So what is the expanded form of 53? 53 is equal to 50 plus 3. The expanded form of 53 is 50 plus 3. Okay, so expanded form over here we can see that is 50 plus 3. Now we are going to draw the table and this expanded form we are going to place over here 50 and 3, and we are going to multiply by 8. So we are going to write 8 over here. Now let us multiply. Now 8 multiplied by 50. Now for which 8 multiplied by 0. 8 multiplied by 0 is 0. So here you can see first 0. Then 8 5s are 40. So next number will be 40. That means we will get the answer 850 multiplied by 8 as 400. Everybody understood how we have got this 400? You can do simply with our simple method also. 50 multiplied by 8. 8 zeros are 0 and 8 fives are is 40. This is our simple method. But we are not going to use simple method. We will be just doing it directly. How we are going to do it directly? 8 multiplied by 0, that is 0, and 8 fives are 40. Okay. So here, now we have got the answer as 400. correct? Now, next number is 8 multiplied by 3. 8 you are going to multiply by 3. So 8 3s are 24. Have you seen why I have said you should know the table? Because we are going to multiply each number, and for which tables are very, very important. Correct. Yes. Students, your answers are right. 8 3s are 24. Correct. Now we have 424 number with us. So for which we are going to draw the table in this way: 100, tens and units. Place the 400 number and then 24 and do the addition. Now how we will be adding? Unit with unit. So 0 plus 4. Answer is 0 plus 4 is. Someone type in your chat box. 0 plus 4 is how much? Correct. 4. Now in tens place, 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2. Yes. Answer is 2. Correct. And in 100 place, with 4 nothing is left. So 4 plus nothing will be correct. It will be 4. So when we multiply with 53 multiplied by 8, we will get the answer as 424. 53 multiplied by 8, how much is the answer? 424. Correct. It is 424. So everyone understood how we have solved this sum? Yes, just again I am repeating how we have solved this sum, the method. Now here you can see the number given to us is 53 multiplied by 8. Can you see 53 multiplied by 8? So first we will write the expanded form of 53. The expanded form of 53 is 50 plus 3. Then draw a table in which we are going to place the expanded number, that is 50 plus 3. So 50 over in one column and 3 in the second column. Which number we are going to multiply? We are going to multiply by 8. So 8 multiplied by 50. So 8 zeros are 0. 8 fives are 40. So that means 50 multiplied by 8 is 400. Then to the next column, 3. So 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. Now we have received the number as 424. These two numbers we are going to add it together. So 400 plus 24, we will get the answer as 424. Correct? So 53 multiplied by 8 is 424. Any doubt? Yes? Okay, you all have understood. Correct. Okay. Let us solve next example. Here. Here is our next example. 25 multiplied by 5. Now you will see 25. Yes, 25 is 2-digit number. So we are going to write the expanded form. It is not necessary only if first number is 2-digit, we have to write the expanded form. We have to write the expanded form of both the numbers. But you will observe 25's expanded form is 20 plus 5. But 5's expanded form will be 5 only. Yes, because as it is 1-digit number. So 25 is equal to 20 plus 5. Let us draw the table. Yes, 20, and in second column we are going to write 5, and 9 we are going to write it below. So here it should be 9. So now 25 multiplied by 9. So 2, what we are going to do? 20 and 5 over here multiplied by 9. So 9 zeros are 0 and 9 twos are 18. Correct? So 20 multiplied by 9 is 180. Next walk, that is 9 multiplied by 5. 9 5s are 45. Now which number we have received? We have received 180 and 45. So we are going to draw the table in which we are going to place 100, tens and units. 180, so 180 we are going to write over here starting with 100 place and 45 starting with 10 place. Now look at the unit place. Unit place is 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is how much? 0 plus 5 is how much, students? 5, correct. So next, 10th place, look at the 10th place, 8 plus 4. Correct, very good. Now 8 plus 4, correct, 8 plus 4 is 12. So we are going to write 2 in the 10th place and carry 1 to the 100th place. Yes, yes, correct. 12 is the answer and 12, 2 we are going to write in the 10th place and we are going to carry 1 to the 100th place. Correct. Now look at the 100th place. Yes. Now 100 place, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Correct. So that means, therefore, 25 multiplied by 9, how much is the answer? 225. Correct. Okay. That means everyone has understood, right? Okay. Coming to the next. Next sum is 86 multiplied by 5. 86 multiplied by 5. Now, 86 multiplied by 5, what will we be doing? We will be writing the expanded form of 86. Now, what is the expanded form of 86? 80 plus 6 multiplied by 5. So, 5's expanded form will be 5 itself. So, 80 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5. So, 80 in the first column and 6 in the second column. Multiplied by 5. So, we are going to write 5 in the below column. Now, look at the number. Which number we are going to multiply? We are going to multiply 5 with 80. So, let's see 5 multiplied by 0 first. 5 zeros are 0 and 5 eights are 40. That means 8 multiplied by, 5 multiplied by 80, answer will be 400. If you multiply 80 by 5, answer is 400. Are you all getting it? Correct. So, next is 6 multiplied by 5. 6 5s are 30. Correct? Yes. So, now, we have received the number as 430. Right? So, these two numbers, we are going to draw the table and write in the table 400 starting with 100 place and 30. Now do the addition of 400 plus 30. Look at the unit place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 10th place. Correct. Very good. 0 plus 3 how much? 0 plus 3. Don't be in hurry, Aradhya. Don't be in hurry. 0 plus 3 is how much? 3. Correct. Now look at the 100 place. 4 plus how much is 4? 100 place. Look at the 100 place. 4 plus nothing. Correct. 4. That means when you add 400 plus 30, you will get the answer as 430, which means 86 multiplied by 5. Answer is 430. Correct? Yes. Hope everyone has understood. Let us see next one. Now, up till now, we have seen only one number was 2 digit and the second number was 1 digit. Now we have both the numbers of 2 digits, right? So 2 digits 75 multiplied by 11. 75 multiplied by 11. Can you see? Yes. That means 75 is also 2 digit number and 11 also 2 digit number. For like this method, what we are going to do? First, we are going to write the expanded form of both the numbers. So expanded form of 75 is 70 plus 5. And expanded form of 11 is 10 plus 1. Yes, we have studied expanded form is lesson number 2, right? So, Atharva Bohir, don't be in hurry. Okay. So now, 70 plus 5 and 10 plus 1. Now we are going to draw the table. Now, previous term we used to draw only one column over here. Now we are going to draw 2 columns because we are going to expand the other number also. So what is the expanded form? 70 plus 5. So 70 in one column, 5 in the another column. And 10 plus 1 over here, 10 and 1. Now, 10 we are going to multiply by 70. So 10 zeros are 0 and 10 sevens are, you will get the answer 70. That means 10 multiplied by 70 is 700. Now look at the next column. 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. Next below one now. The next extended form's next number is 1. So 1 70s are 70. 1 70s are 70. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. Now you will look over here in the table. You will see we have received the numbers 700, 50, 70, 5. So for which we will be drawing the table. Place the faces, unit, tens and 100. Now you will see in unit tens and 100, what we are going to do, write 700 plus 70 plus 50 plus 5. Everyone understood how to place the digit? Any doubt? If somebody is raising hand. Okay. So, okay. Now, look at the unit place. Unit place, all the digits we are going to add. So, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. What will be the answer? Correct, 5. Now, look at the tens place. 0 plus 7 plus 5. What will be the answer? Correct. 7 plus 5 is 12. Aradhya, it's 12. Yes. So we are going to write 2 in the 10th place and carry 1 to the 100th place. Now look at the 100th place. 1 plus 7. How much? 8. Correct. That means 75 multiplied by 11 is 825. Shivraj, whatever you are typing, that language I am not able to read. Okay? So you type whatever is readable to me. So 75 multiplied by 11 is 825. Hope everyone has understood. Okay. So now proceeding to the next sum. Before I will start with the next sum on the screen, I will be solving orally. Orally means I'll be just asking you the steps and you are going to solve and type the answer in the chat box. Correct? So our next sum will be 41 multiplied by 14. Our next sum is 41 multiplied by 41 multiplied by 14. Everyone is ready with book and notebook? Yes. Be ready with your notebook and pencil. Write on it 41 multiplied by 14. Okay. Now both the numbers are of 2-digit number. So what is the expanded form of 41? Type in the chat box. 41, what is the expanded form of 41? Correct. Dear students, please do not use any calci or calculator with you. I know how much quick and instant maths you all know. Okay? So go step by step. We are going to learn maths, how to solve the sums. So what is the expanded form of 41? Only one answer I have received. Correct. Saida Khan, correct. Pallavi, correct. Arnav, I don't need this answer. Yes. Aradhya, correct. Expanded form of 41. Don't write and. Expanded form means it should be addition sign in the between. Expanded form of 41. Sanket, 56 is wrong. I want expanded form of 41. Vedant, type again dear. 41. So 40 and means 40 plus also will come. Yes, Krutat, Virat, correct. Your answer is right. Harshada, I don't need the final answer right now. Send the for expanded form of 41. Correct. Okay. Daksh, the answer is wrong here. Solve again. Okay. What was the second number? 14. What is the expanded form of 14? Expanded form of 14. Arnav saying expanded form of 14. Yes, Krutat correct. Rigved correct. Pallavi correct. Ananya, correct. Vivek Salunke, correct. Virat, right. Expanded form, dear. So 14 is two-digit number. So expanded form of 14 is 10 plus 4. Those who have given me the answer as 10 plus 4, their answer is right. 41's expanded form is 40 plus 1 and 14's expanded form is 10 plus 4. Now come on, draw the table. Vertical 3 columns and horizontally 3 columns. Hope everyone has drawn. Yes. Okay, now place the digit. Okay. Now tell me 40 multiplied by 10. 40 multiplied by 10. Hope you all have placed the digits in the proper column. Yes, vertically and horizontally. What do you mean by vertically? Yes, correct. Yes, Pallavi answer is right. Okay, correct. Vertically and horizontally. Vertically means standing way and horizontal means sleeping. So straight line, what will be the column? Multiplication sign 10 and below 10 it will be 4 and in horizontal it will be 40 and 1. So first column 10 multiplied by 40. Correct. Very good student. I have received the first answer 10 multiplied by 40 by many of the students. Correct. Siddhi. Yes, Krutat, correct. 10 multiplied by 40. Pallavi, 10 multiplied by 40, dear. Yes, Mohammed Khan, correct. Harshada, correct. Shivam, and I have not written anything on the screen. I'm not showing anything on the screen because I know when you see the screen, you don't solve. I said you to write in your notebook, Shivam. Priyanshi, dear, check your answer. I don't need this answer. Correct. Adidev, right. Atharva, do dear, check your answer. 40 multiplied by 10 is how much? Correct. Yashashri, correct. Okay. So whatever answers are received are correct. That is 40 multiplied by 10 answer is 400. Now go to the next column. 10 multiplied by 1 how much? 10 ones are correct. 10. Very simple. Okay. Now next. 4 multiplied by 40 how much? 4 multiplied by 40. Correct. 160. Right. Pallavi, it's 160. No, it's not 120. 160. How you will get 160? 4 multiplied 4 fours are 0. No, 4 fours are 16 and 4 zeros are 0. So it's 160. Correct. 4 ones are, how much is 4 ones are? Correct, 4. So now, which all numbers did we receive? All numbers, all 4 numbers you are going to write. Type all 4 numbers which we have received. Not the answer. The answer after multiplying in the column. We have received which all numbers? Correct. Few more answers I need. Only type once, don't type again and again. Correct. Yes, Shivam, is my only for Shivam it is not audible. Everybody, is my voice audible to everyone? Check your network, dear. Okay, not clear. That must be some network issue then. Is it clear now? Okay. Yes. So those who have sent me the answer as 400 plus 160 plus 10 plus 4 is the correct answer. Okay. So now draw the table, place unit, tens, 100 column and add this all numbers. So here, just now whatever sum we are solving is on your screen. You can see your screen now. 41 multiplied by 14. Yes. So the sum is 41 multiplied by 14, in which the expanded form is 41. Expanded form is 40 plus 1 and 14's expanded form is 10 plus 4.
Next, you can see
What is the next one? Next you can see you have in which 10 multiplied by 40 is 400. 4 multiplied by 40 is 160. 4 ones are 4 and 10 ones are 10. So we have received the number as 400 plus 160 plus 10 plus 4. So here is the table with 100, tens and unit, and in which we are going to place the number 400 plus 160 plus 10 plus 4. Now look at the unit place. Unit place is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. Answer is 4. In the tens place, 0 plus 6 plus 1 is 7. 100 place, 4 plus 1 will be 5. Therefore, 41 multiplied by 14, answer is 574. So hope everyone has understood this sum. Is there any doubt? No, dear. Adidev Ashok Yadav, your answer should be 574. Whatever you have typed, that is not the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Coming to the next. Next sum. Let us solve again. Ready, everyone? Yes. Okay. Thank you, dear. That means everyone has understood. Okay. Proceed. Now let us solve one more sum. Come on, be ready with your book. Come on. Write in your notebook. The sum is 68 multiplied by 12. Come on, solve in your notebook. 68 multiplied by 12. Yes, hope everyone has started. Harshada, I'm going to just now on the video call over here, and I want to see where you have solved this sum. Shall I do it? Yes, I'm going to just see on the screen, everyone, what you all are solving. So the expanded form of 68. Expanded form of 68. Yes, Vivek, your answer is right, but 68 also, expanded form of 68. Correct. Okay. Whatever answers I have received are correct. Expanded form of 12. Expanded form of 12. It's not only 2. 12, it is 12, two-digit number. Correct. Minus, we don't, Ananya. In expanded form, there is no subtraction sign. Yes. 12 will be 10 plus 2. Correct. So draw the table now. Everyone draw the table vertically and horizontally. 3 columns vertically, 3 columns horizontally. And place the digit. Yes. Did you place the digit? Yes. Which will be the first digit? First column will be multiplication. Then 60 and 8. Yes. And vertically it will be multiplication 10 and 2. Okay. So now 10 multiplied by 60 is how much? Question is 10 multiplied by 60. No dear, it is not 6,000, it is 600. Correct. 10 multiplied by 60 is 600. Now 10 8s are 10 multiplied by 8, how much? Correct. Very good. It's 80. Very good. So 2 multiplied by 60, how much? 2 multiplied by 60. Good. Good. Tanish English all again. Sneha, it's 2 multiplied by 60. How much? Yes, it is 120. 2 multiplied by 60 is 120. 2 multiplied by 8. 2 multiplied by 8, how much? Correct, 16. So now tell me in this sum, which all numbers we have received by multiplying. Priyanshi, concentrate on your sum, dear. Yes, very good. We have 600 plus 120 plus 80 and plus 60. So adding all together, what will be the answer? 600 plus 120 plus 80 plus 16. Correct. Your answer is 816. Very good, students. So that means you all remember this method which we have studied in our previous class, correct? So today you all are going to solve the 6 sums which are given in your textbook, page number 29. On page number 29 of your textbook, there is one exercise, multiply the following. You're going to solve that 6 sums in your math notebook with lactic method, correct? Is everybody clear with it? Page number 29 of math textbook. Okay, so sum number 1 to 6 is your homework. You're going to revise it once again in your math notebook. Okay, thank you students. Take care.